Understanding blending pastels in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, blending pastels. This phrase is not just about colors or art, but it's also a great example of how English uses specific words to convey broader ideas. Let's dive in and understand what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday English. Blending pastels consists of two key words, blending and pastels. Let's break them down. Blending. This word means mixing or combining things in a way that becomes smooth and integrated. It's often used in contexts like cooking, art, or even in describing relationships and ideas. Pastels. Pastels are a type of color. These are soft, light, and usually have a muted tone. They are different from bright or dark colors and often give a gentle impression. When we combine these words, blending pastels refers to the act of gently mixing these soft colors together, creating a harmonious and subtle effect. In English, we often use phrases like this figuratively. Blending pastels can be used to describe situations where different elements are combined in a way that is smooth, gentle, and harmonious. For example, it can refer to combining ideas from different areas in a project, people from different backgrounds working together seamlessly, the mixing of cultures, styles, or even flavors in cooking. It's a beautiful way to describe harmony and subtlety in various contexts. Let's see how to use blending pastels in sentences. 1. The new policy is like blending pastels. It integrates different perspectives smoothly. 2. The festival was a perfect example of blending pastels, with its mix of music and art from various cultures. 3. Her writing style is like blending pastels, combining gentle humor with serious themes. Notice how the phrase adds depth and vivid imagery to each sentence. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, blending pastels, in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures and feelings those words can create. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be blending pastels with your English skills. See you in the next video.